Hey everyone, in this Titan tutorials video we're going to be showing you how to install running boards on your Nissan Titan. These are the Tyger Star Armor running boards, nerf bars, whatever you'd like to call them. So let's get right into it. We're going to show you how to install these on your Titan. Okay, so we're here under the body of the driver's side, and next to these factory mounted screws we're going to look for these plugs that are right here. These are just plastic clips that come pre-installed. So you can get a flathead screwdriver and pop those right off. And you'll do the same for the one that's here and then across the body as well. Once you take those clips off, the side rails are going to mount with 2 points of contact. The first is going to be here where we removed that clip. So into there you're going to insert a 13mm bolt that's just going to fit right into here. You'll apply a flat washer and a lock washer, tighten that up. The second point of contact is up here where the factory threaded screw is. You'll again apply a washer and this 13mm nut that comes with the packaging. So you'll tighten both of those, and then you'll do that for the other points of contact along the vehicle as well. So you'll tighten this 13mm bolt here with the lock washer and the flat washer. Then up here at the top where the factory threaded screw was, you'll tighten that as well, and then you're all set up. So when it's all said and done, you'll have 6 points that you'll secure. So here are the 2 at the front. There'll be 2 in the middle here. Then when you go to the back of the vehicle, there will be 2 more. And that's all you really need to do to install the side rails on your Nissan Titan. Let's get out from under the vehicle and see how it looks installed.